for 8-9 months he's been after me saying आप कुछ जीएसटी में राहत दिलाओ जनता के लिए. उसका इंटेंसिव वर्क किए. हमारे एमओएस कॉम्पनसेशन सेस के ऊपर शेयर कर रहे थे ग्रुप ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स. ही वर्कड वेरी हार्ड विद ऑल ऑफ देम. सम्राट चौधरी जी वर्कड on the rate rationalization, and not only the chair but the members of each of these GOM have worked very hard. I am absolutely appreciative of every one of the ministers. इस समय का मांग को समझ करके समर्थन दिए, इसलिए उन सबको मैं आभार व्यक्त करना चाह रही हूँ. There is also of course trade facilitation measures and process reform, वो भी इसमें शामिल है, जिससे enhanced verification measures which are aimed at curbing fraud have led to complex documentation, उसको भी simplify करने का, और data analysis वगैरह है. Process reform के ऊपर मैं विस्तार से आपके question answer के समय में जवाब दूंगी. मगर primarily I'm sure all your interest is to know where is what, which one comes down in rate. उसमें एक just indicate करते हुए I'll stop my input. If revenue secretary has anything more he can add. उसके बाद आपके question answer करते हुए हम बाकी सबको cover करेंगे. Common man and middle class items में there is a complete reduction. Reduction from 18 or from 12 to 5%. I list out those items, all of whom have come to 5% from either 18 or from 12. Common man items such as hair oil, toilet soap, soap bars, shampoos, toothbrushes, toothpaste, bicycles, tableware, kitchenware and other household articles have all come to 5, whether they were in 18 or whether they were in 12. Similarly, reduction of GST from 5% to nil. 5 से 0 में जाने वाले items indicate कर रहा हूं. Ultra high temperature milk, the UHT milk, chena or paneer, all the Indian breads will see nil rate. So roti किसी के ऊपर भी, chapati or roti or paratha or whatever it is, they all come to nil.